Welcome back to this new news episode.
I'm Mitchell.
And I'm Mason.
And today we have quite a few things to show y'all.
Starting with...
I don't know if y'all have kept up, but we now have released our mystery kit. Our winter-themed mystery kit is now live. It is called Frozen Memories. I know a lot of people are ready for our next quilt, so I'm happy to announce it is live, and you can go check it out right now. It is Holiday Flourish 15 from Robert Kaufman. I know we had a slight issue with getting certain yardage from them, so we had to cut back on how many we were able to actually fully make. That being said, by the time this video goes up, we may be out of kits, but I hope not. I hope that there's still some y'all are able to get, and if there are, there should be a link down below that you should be able to click on. This kit starts December 19th, and it'll be weekly. It takes 5 weeks to complete. So there will be dates all at the bottom here showing every week that starts. It should be every Monday. That being said, we have a couple content creators that are going along with us. So if you want to check out their YouTubes, have links to those as well. They're going to be releasing basically just following along with y'all tours every week. So on those Mondays, they'll have a video up of how they're making the quilt kit and everything, all their tutorials and stuff. So you should be able to get some help that way.
As well as going to our Facebook group where there's other people also doing quilt alongs with the mystery kit. If you want help or you want to talk to some people while you're doing it, go to our Facebook group.
So yeah, this is featuring, like I said, featuring Holiday Flourish from Holiday Flourish 15 from Robert Kaufman. It's a really beautiful group. It has a lot of like shimmering and metallic accents on it. So it'll be like a very like shiny quilt when we're done with it. This priced at $67.96. So yeah, if we have any available, like I said, it'll be linked in the description. You can go check it out. Next is for you.
Bada bing, bada boom. Then there's these bolts. We got a lot going on the table. Okay. Next is a collection that is from Wilmington called Happy Hearts. There is yardage for it, as well as 2 kits that we have right here for you. One is placemats, and also
there's a wall quilt kit.
There's a wall quilt kit, and then we have some of the different yardages here, as well as some other ones that we have that we just don't have in the studio today. These are just a whole bunch of different hearts, or really nice little, cute little sayings and whatnot, like heart and love and heart and soul and be mine, and you know, all the cute love things. So this is a collection that we're showing y'all because the next big holiday after Christmas and the New Year, if you celebrate that and what have you, is Valentine's Day. So if you want a project for that, or if you want to buy somebody some type of project for them, maybe look at Happy Hearts from Wilmington. Great collection. Thank you, Wilmington, for putting this out.
Next, we have one of our biggest quilt kits called Solare Quilt Kit.
It's a big boy.
Yeah, this ends up being a 99 by 99 quilt kit. There's a total of roughly 23 yards in this quilt kit. As you see, it's pretty thick. Yeah. Quite a bit in here. This is a Solare Quilt Kit. It is from Banyan Batiks. It is priced at $299.96. No, it's a bit much up there. Yeah, it's a little pricey, but it does end up making a 99 by 99 sized quilt. So it'll be quite large, should fit on a queen bed. Maybe it may fit on a king, but it like would probably look a little small. I don't know. I don't know if it's difficult. I don't know how to quilt, so I can't say if it's easy, medium, or hard. I just know it's a large quilt, so I assumed it would take a bit.
Let me just enter this in real quick. We did learn to quilt a little bit. And there's this guy right here. We'll talk more about that later in another video, but I don't know if y'all see this. If you remember this, you're a real OG. But this, that's a monster.
I don't know. I could take it on, but I feel like it would take me like a month to complete.
Man.
Maybe more.
Years.
Years?
I'd have a beard by then. One of the last things we're going to talk about for this news episode are these pocket packs that we have. We have a whole bunch in the studio today. I think this is most of them. If not, if not all of them. So we have some carrot cake. We got some plum. We got some fruitcake.
Key lime pie.
Woo! I like key lime pie.
And we also got blueberry pie.
Blueberry pie.
Do you like blueberry pie too?
Ooh, I do like blueberry pie. I really like apple pie.
Apple pie is your best?
Man, I love some apple pie.
Do you like the cinnamon on it? Is that what does it for you? Yeah. There's 4 fat quarters per each pocket pack in here. So you'll see each layer. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. They are all based on like themes of like cakes and pies. They're all gonna be a certain color themes. As you see, we have a blue, green. This one's sort of red and green. Then we got purple and orange.
They're also all priced at $12.96, so not too bad.
Yeah. So if you were wanting like maybe a little gift for Christmas for someone, this could be
a little
perfect.
stocking stuffer.
Ooh.
Who knows?
Quilt stocking? That'd be cool. Hold on. So yeah, these could fit right perfectly in with that. All right, I think that's most of the news. Let's just do a quick recap. We talked about first off was the mystery kit we have launched. It is called Frozen Memories. It is live. If you're keep up with any of our quilt-alongs, then hope you're able to catch up on this one as well. If not, no worries. We also allow you to use your own fabric on quilt-alongs if you're not able to use ours. That's completely fine. Our patterns will be up completely free. On that note, if you are not part of our Facebook group, we have a Facebook group dedicated to the mystery kit. So we have people in there that sew along with us, some that don't. It really doesn't matter. Like, it's just a community that we have that's a bunch of quilters that you can talk with, share your quilts with people. If you're having trouble with the mystery kit, you can ask others in there.
Welcoming newcomers and long-time quilters. So then next we have the Happy Hearts collection from Wilmington that we talked about. If you want to get somebody some type of project for Valentine's Day or that kind of era, that'd be really cool. Maybe for an anniversary present. Ooh, that might be cool. That could work. I'm looking at you men, you know, maybe you want to get your girl something and maybe you quilt it. You buy it, you put it all together, and then you give it to her.
Wow. I think that'd be amazing.
Shoot, I could try.
Next, we covered the Solare Quilt Kit, which is one of our larger ones. It was the one that was 99 by 99.
That big boy.
Yeah. Yeah. Had 23 yards of fabric in it. That's a lot.
$299.96.
Yeah.
That guy's really cool. Got a bunch of different colors in it. Could be for any type of project. Have at it, have fun. You're probably gonna be doing it for a good amount of time.
Yeah, it may take a little bit to complete.
Yeah, but if you're looking for something that's kind of quick, you could also then get a pocket pack. And you either get that for yourself or get that for somebody else, like we said, for a stocking stuffer or some type of present for Christmas. That'd be really cool.
Yeah, because it's four fat quarters. I think I could make like a small, like, what was it, like the placemat thing? Like
a little placemat. Yeah, make a placemat.
I think you can make a placemat out of a pocket bag.
Yeah.
Cool. $12.99 for a placemat?
$12.96.
Oh, my bad.
$12.96.
3 cents off. My bad.
That's a good deal right there. But do remember they're themed by color. There's tons of different colors of pocket packs. We have a whole bunch of different ones, so make sure you go look at those. Maybe get somebody something for Christmas. We're trying to help you out here. Yeah. As we said, sneak peek at what we did with our quilt. We'll talk about it later.
Coming up later.
Maybe we'll do another one. Who knows? Yeah. Other than that, happy holidays for whatever you celebrate. Happy Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, Christmas, everything that is that.
Between everything, we encompass it all.
And if not that, then Happy New Year.
Yeah.
Hope y'all are having a great year, and then we have a great next year.
True.
Especially with the M&M podcast show, whatever we call this, the news episode.
The M&M news, the Fort Worth Fabric News.
Fort Worth Fabric News. That we need to get our M&Ms back.
Yeah, we do.
We haven't been the same since we didn't have our M&Ms.
Anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure to follow us on all our socials. We have TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, if you want to let us know anything or anything, be sure to drop it in the comments. We read them all and do our best to reply. Sometimes I know it may take a day or two, but we do our best to reply. Subscribe if you haven't yet. There's a bell next to it if you want to get notified when we upload, and you can click on that. Other than that, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.